friends. Today I would like to talk something about nothingness. So it's not something I have prepared, something just came to my mind. So I just wanted to pour my heart out. Nothingness. This is what a spiritual person or person looking for spirituality should offer. Nothingness. Even in scientific terminology, there is a phrase or someone said a long time back that you can fit the whole universe in a seed of grain, right? Now, if you look from logical point of view, you will see, oh no, there are so many big mountains, the big universe, how can fit in a grain? But the fact is, inside there is nothing. Even you look at your atom, right? It's electron, 2 protons, and then there is nothingness. This is how the universe was born, from nothingness. And this is where we are all going to be, in nothing. And being nothing, becoming nothing may sound scary. But when you were born, you were nothing. Were you happy at that moment? You were happy, right? Even if I am correct, we were the most happiest when we were kids. After that we became something and we started being unhappy, right? As life progressed, we became something plus something plus something, and that something took away some part of happiness from us. You look at all the spiritual gurus, you look at Osho, you look at Sadhguru, you look at Eckhart Tolle, look at any Gautam Buddha, my favorite. You look at them, they are nothing. They have made themselves into nothing. And it is in nothing. It is in a place of nothing that you can fill something in. Right? If you are already something, if your cup is already full, you cannot have spirituality inside yourself, right? You have to become nothing. Now, what does being nothing means? So, to understand what nothing means, you need to first understand what being something means. Try to find who you are, what you think you are. You will see that you think you are something, right? Now that something can be anything. You might think you are a tall person. You are some tall person, you are some rich person, right? You are a short person, you are a dumb person, you are an intelligent person, right? You are something. That is your identity. That something gives you some identity, right? Nothing gives you no identity. It keeps you open to experiences. Right? And this nothingness is what connects you to the universe. It allows the universe, energy of the universe to flow through you. Be nothing. Try to be nothing. Right? If you analyze your negative behaviors right now, take any negative behavior, anything. If you feel angry, if you feel sad, if you feel unhappy, because you want to become something, right? You are something right now. You want to become something, something else. This something never ends. I'm not saying don't go for money, don't go for comfort of life, don't save for retirement, don't spend, don't enjoy. No. Do everything. You are made to enjoy your life. But be nothing. If you are nothing, once you are nothing, Good will be as simple as bad. Good will be bad, bad will be good. There will be no difference. Truth will be false, false will be truth. Big will be short, short will be big. Okay. Profit will be loss, loss will be profit. I know it's difficult to understand right now. But if you can look at every aspect of life in the same way, in the same level, profit, loss, no, profit and loss, you are nothing. Won't it be amazing experience to be unmoved by anything? If you are very happy, you go to this level. And once you become sad, you fall. Right? The higher you are, the deeper you fall, the more it hurts. Right? But if you were born like this, you were nothing. And you are still nothing. Right? You won't go up, you won't go down, you will be there. Right? Things will happen. You cannot stop things from happening, right? We are not gods. But we can control how we take that things. Okay. It's like a mystical thing. Right? Not being impacted by anything. Try to be nothing. With that, I wish you all the peace, all the happiness, all the good earthly in life. My mission is to change 100 lives this year. And if you can share my video with someone who think can benefit from it, it will be a big achievement for me. And you will be part of my mission. Please also subscribe to the channel so that you get easy updates whenever new video is uploaded in the channel. Good night.